Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials for using X. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to change the preferred feed language in X. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X application on your device. Look for the X icon and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Tap on the account icon. Locate the account icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the account menu. Step 3. Tap on Accessibility Display and Language. From the account menu, find and tap on the Accessibility Display and Language option. This will take you to the accessibility and language settings of your X account. Step 4. Tap on Languages. Once in the accessibility and language settings, find and tap on the Languages option. This is where you can manage the language preferences for your X account. Step 5. Then tap on Preferred Language. Within the Languages settings, locate and tap on the Preferred Language option. This is where you can set the language for your preferred feed. Step 6. Update the language. Select the desired language from the available options. Once you have chosen your preferred language, tap on the Update button to save the changes. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the preferred feed language in X. This setting allows you to experience X in your preferred language, making your feed more personalized. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to change the preferred feed language in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more X-related tutorials.